Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. I hope you're all doing well. September is a special month in my house. My husband and both my kids have their birthdays this month. So I have a keto recipe that is high in protein that is a wonderful appetizer. These are sausage cheese rolls. It's gluten-free, high in protein and low on carbs. I hope you like it. First, start with the sausages or hot dogs. I have one whole packet which has 6 chicken dogs. Now in a pan, take 1 tablespoon of butter and fry up the chicken dogs till they are nice and golden brown. Once they are done, take them off the heat and set them aside. This is a gluten-free recipe, so we will be using mozzarella for the wraps. Reduce the heat to low and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of grated mozzarella cheese on the pan. Now sprinkle some diced jalapenos and diced red bell peppers on the cheese. Now it's very important that you use a non-stick pan for this and you cook the cheese on low heat. You want the cheese to melt and not burn. The cheese will slowly bubble and melt and spread thin. You will notice that after some time, the cheese will bubble less and will start to crisp up. When you push the edges, you can see that it's formed a skin below. At this point, place a sausage on the cheese and slowly fold the cheese over the sausage and push it to form a roll. Your sausage cheese rolls are ready. Serve it with a delicious dipping sauces. This is a great recipe for people on a keto diet. I hope you like this recipe. Like, share and subscribe for more content from us. Until next time, happy cooking.